Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to convert hard drive from MBR to GPT on Windows 11. If you want to convert your hard drive from MBR to GPT on Windows 11, this guide will help you step by step. Let's get started. As you can see, I want to change this E drive from MBR to GPT. First, backup any important files on this drive. When we convert to GPT, we will have to delete everything on it. There is some data here, but it's not important to me, so I am okay with it getting deleted. To begin, right click on the start button and choose disk management. Here is our E drive. Make sure it's the right one before proceeding. If you are unsure, double check. Now right click on the drive and select delete volume. Then click yes. Now the drive shows an unallocated. Right click the unallocated space and choose convert to GPT disk. After that, right click on the drive again and select new simple volume. Just follow the on-screen instructions to finish up. And that's it. You have successfully converted the drive from MBR to GPT. Converting your drive in Windows is simple, but be careful about data loss. Always back up your important files before starting. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you at the next one. Goodbye.